Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes Amazing Assignment. Today our amazing assignment is Animal World. Animal World. And textbook page number 36, 37 and 38 it is available. Now first exercise we will see. Tick the correct answers. What we should do? We should tick. See, first question. Which of the following animals is a carnivore? Which of the following animals is a carnivore? Here three options they have given. One is crow, dog, cow. A is crow, B dog, C cow. In these three, the animal which eats other flesh of other animals are called carnivores. And in these three animals, which animal will eat meat? That is called carnivore. Now you see, crow and dog, cow. Among these three, dog will eat meat. So it is, one minute. Dog will eat meat. So that it is carnivore animal. Next, which of these is an omnivore? Omnivore means you know that the animal which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Here deer, lion, bear, three animals are there. Among these three animals, which is omnivore? Actually, deer will eat only plants, lion will eat only flesh of other animals, but bear will eat flesh of other animals and also honey. It likes honey, and honey which comes from the plants, so that it come under omnivore. Now our answer is C, bear. And third one, which of the following animals sucks blood? Sucks its food. And which of the following animals sucks its food? If these animals want to take the blood from other animals, they will suck from the body. So what are they? Cat, mosquito, snake. Now the answer is mosquito. Mosquito will suck the blood from the human beings or animals. Now fourth one, which of these animals eats only plants? That means herbivorous animals. Here elephant and dog, tiger. These are the options. Among these, elephant will eat only plants. The answer is elephant. Dog will eat meat of other animals and also tiger will eat flesh of other animals. So that the answer is A, elephant. Now, which of the following is not an aerial animal? Aerial animals means the animal which fly in the air. And here cat, first one cat, B bat, C pigeon. See, cat, bat, pigeon. Three are there. And what is the question here? Which of the following is not an aerial animal? And that means which not fly in the air. And which one will fly? Bat will fly, pigeon will fly in the air. But cat cannot fly. That is why the answer is A, cat. Now let us go to next exercise. Write the names of these animals in the correct column. Here three columns they have given. Each column there are some names. First one is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. And some animals they have given. We have to segregate these animals into those columns. And which animal come under herbivore, which animals come under carnivores, and which animal come under omnivores. We have to write now. And here if you see, herbivores already they have given cow, and see giraffe and elephant. These three will eat only plants. These animals are called herbivores. So we should write these names here. Cow, giraffe and elephant are herbivores because they will eat only animals, plants. Giraffe, they will eat only plants. Giraffe. Next, elephant. 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 Now we will see carnivores. Carnivorous animals eat only flesh of other animals. Which animal will eat flesh here? See, fox will eat flesh of other animals, and also crocodile will eat flesh of other animals, and lion. These three animals will eat flesh of other animals. So that these animals come under carnivores. So now we should write now we should write these names in this column, carnivores column. And first one is fox. Second one is crocodile. Third one omnivore. Third one lion. Lion. Next one omnivores. So what are the omnivores? The animal which eat both the flesh of other animals and also plants. These are called omnivores. So here what are the remaining animals? Cow and bear. Now crow and bear. Crow eats grains and flesh of small animals and small creatures. These all it will eat. So that it is come under omnivore. Crow. 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 Next, bear. Already I told you about bear. Why it is come under omnivore. So bear also we will write under omnivore. Now let us go to next exercise. See, write true or false. T for true, F for false we have to write. First one, carnivores eat only plants. Up to now we discussed about carnivores. Is it eat plants or flesh of other animals? Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Now here what they have given? Carnivores eat only plants. Is it correct or wrong? It is false. It is wrong. So we have to write F for false. Now a snake swallows its prey whole. Snake will eat its prey at a time. It swallows. So it is true only. Another one. A frog sucks its food. Yes, frog sucks its food with its tongue. With a long tongue it has, and it sucks its food. So it is true. Next, bats are the only mammal that can fly. Mammals cannot fly. Actually, they will be on the land. They have 4 legs like that. In the mammals, only the bat is the mammal which can fly in the air. It is true. Another one. Amphibians can live both on land and in water. Amphibians can live both land and in the water also. Actually, the animals which live on the land or otherwise in the water. But here amphibians only can live both on the land and in the water. So this one also true. We will write T for true. Now next exercise. Circle the odd one out. Odd one out means one animal will be different among these 4. Here some groups of animals have given. In that one animal is different from that. So here see first one, tiger, wolf, cow, lion. These 4 are there. Among these 4, tiger, wolf, lion is carnivores. But here only cow, herbivore. So we have to circle it. Now deer, lion, goat, sheep. Among these, deer, goat, sheep are herbivores and lion is carnivore. So it is different among these 4. So we have to circle lion. Now bear, crow, human beings, dog. Bear, crow, human beings are omnivores. Only the dog is carnivore. So here dog we have to circle. Next, fourth one, frog, turtle, crocodile and fish. Here, frog, turtle, crocodile can live both the land and in the water, and they can live both the areas. So fish only can live in the water, it cannot live on the land. So that fish is different from those four animals. Now we have to circle the fish. Fifth one, parrot, pigeon, rat, parrot, sparrow. Yes, it should be there here. Sparrow. And here, parrot, pigeon, sparrow are the birds, and rat is animal which live on the land. It cannot fly. These three can fly, but rat cannot fly. So that we have to circle rats. We can circle rats. Now we will go to another exercise. Last one, and give two examples each of animals that eat only the flesh of other animals. We have to give two examples for each sentence. So here what they have asked, animals that eat only the flesh of other animals. Two examples we have to write. What we will write? Many carnivorous animals are there. Among those two names we have to give the examples, like lion and tiger. Lion and tiger. Tiger. These two are carnivorous animals. Next, the animals that chew the curd. Chew the curd. Curd means grass. What animals chew the curd? Cow and goat. Cow and goat. These two chew their curd. Next, gnaw at their food. Animals that gnaw at their food. What are the animals gnaw their food with their front teeth? Means rabbit and squirrel. Rabbit and squirrel. They do not have side teeth. That is why they gnaw the food with the front teeth. Rabbit and squirrel. Squirrel. Next, live mostly on trees. The animal which live on the trees are called arboreal animals. What are they? Monkey and koala. Monkey and koala. Koala bear, it lives on the trees, and monkeys also live on the trees. Live in water. What are the animals live in water? Aquatic animals. What are they? Fish and turtle. They live in water. Fish and turtle. Turtle. These are the animals, and this is the assignment. This is the amazing assignment. I hope you all understood and enjoyed a lot. Thank you, children.